Okay.
Yeah.
Greetings to the one and all present. Today I, Viral Bajaj, welcome you to this meet on behalf of the entire KRM family. It is a valuable opportunity for all of us to have you here with us today. In this meeting, we would like to discuss the various aspects of COVID-19 and how it has affected the lives of both the neighboring nations. So, if we talk about what COVID stands for, so out of COVID, CO stands for Corona, VI stands for virus, and D stands for disease. And since the first case was brought into the notice in 2019, therefore, a numeric value 19 is put at the end. Now, we will discuss COVID-19 in some more detail. So, it is a infectious disease which is caused by newly discovered virus, which is known as coronavirus. Since it is a SARS virus, therefore, most of the people who are infected with COVID-19 will experience moderate, uh, mild to moderate respiratory illness and recover without requiring special treatment. But if older people and those underlying with medical problems will suffer from the virus, and if they are exposed to previous illnesses also like cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. So at this point of time, the scientists are working, but there is no medical cure. Though people who are curing it, they are completely curing it on the basis of their strong immune system. Therefore, prevention is definitely better than cure. So if we talk about a COVID patient, so he might be experiencing the most common symptoms, which are fever, dry cough, and tiredness. But if someone is experiencing a lot of serious symptoms, for example, difficulty in breathing or shortness of breath, maybe chest pain or pressure, and loss of speech or movement, then medical treatment should be sought at the earliest. So how can we prevent COVID-19? First, we have to maintain the best hand hygiene, and then we have to practice social distancing by maintaining at least 1 meter distance between us and the people who is coughing or sneezing, and maybe everyone. And we have to avoid touching our face, so that mainly the virus enters our body through our mouth, nose, ears, and eyes. So if we will avoid touching our face, then there will be no gateway for the virus to enter our body. We have to cover our nose and mouth when coughing or sneezing, and if we are unwell, we have to stay at home. Though we all are staying at the home due to lockdown, but if we are having experiencing any of the symptoms, then we can't leave our home. And we have to refrain ourselves from smoking and other activities that weakens the lungs, because at this point of time, our lungs and our immune system are the main sources for fighting COVID.
Again, we will just look forward for the next session and for the junior classes as well. So thank you very much, and all of you have a great time, and all the students, thank you so much for your wonderful performances, and really it was a very informative session. We enjoyed. I hope everyone enjoyed this.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. It was a very interactive session.
ma'am.
Okay. Anyone would
Thank
like
you.
to give a concluding remark from Xavier International School? Faridi Bhandari, as you are
Yes, sir.
Shreya, Ayushri, Sampada, who is there?
I would like to thank each one of you for joining us in this session. We are very glad to hear your experiences, thoughts about COVID-19 coronavirus. Thank you very much.
Okay, and from your school, Rupsika ma'am. Anybody else? Any students?
Okay. Any student?
Yeah.
Meher, go
So-
ahead.
Yes, I would like to. Good afternoon and namaste to everyone present here. I am Meher Makkar. On behalf of my country and my school, KR Mangnam World School Vaishali, I extend a really hearty vote of thanks to each one of you virtually present here, who spared their valuable time from your busiest schedule to grace this event. Today, We all had an opportunity to hear everyone's thought on COVID-19 pandemic, and this will surely help all of us in future to fight against this difficult situation. In addition to that, I also want to thank worldwide Corona warriors, all doctors and nurses, sanitation workers, and police force who are helping the world in every possible manner in this crisis. As rightly said, and I do believe that, together we shall overcome one day. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
I would
everybody.
request to Geeta ma'am to say something for us.
Thank you so much, Rupsika ma'am, coordinating and arranging this type of virtual meeting. It's really great for us. Let's hope
Thank you.
again and again we'll meet together. So thank you so much, K.R. Mangalam school team, Rupsika ma'am, and all dear lovely
Thank you, ma'am.
students.
Thank you so much. Thank you, ma'am. And the same from here, that we are really very much thankful to you for all the cooperation and the support you have given to us for making this project and collaborative learning successful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. So, Lalma ma'am is there?
Yes, Lalima ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I'm here.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
just say thank you because we don't have time.
Okay.
Yeah, we don't have time. I just want to say thank you to all the students of both school and staff and all the team, management team and staff team from both schools. This is
Thank you.
really, yeah, this is really good for us to be together. Thank you so
Stay
much.
home, stay connected.
Yeah.
Stay connected, yes.
We'll be joining later
Yes.
together again.
Thank you everybody.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Have a good time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank